take a look at a game I'm making called Guidance. Got it running here. What we have initially is the title screen, as you would expect. And everything on the screen here I made myself except for this skybox. That's moving. That's an asset, but we gotta get this background with a grid shader on it that moves. All the platforms of different colors, simple emissive materials with lower opacity, and then the pulsating emissive text here. I actually made the font myself in, what did I use? Inkscape? And then you export it to some other font program I'm forgetting the name of right now. And then I brought it into Blender and made it into a 3D object so I could apply these different emissive materials to each kind of row here. That was a fair amount of work, but I think it turned out really well. So let's get into the game. Simple menu here, you just press any button. That font's gonna fade out, and then the ball's gonna do this fade out effect, teleport up, and now we're at the start of the game. Right now there isn't any text telling the players how to play. That will come later, and it's just really simple. You click, drag, and release, and that allows the ball to fall and go down that platform into the target. The idea is to avoid hitting these white obstacles on the way to the target. So let's say the player's curious what these white obstacles are early on, they'll get feedback right away with the ball stopping, teleporting back to start, and then starting on the stage over again. So right now there are a few of these kind of starting stages here with just the white obstacles. So let's get through those and you can see how the game progresses. What's going to happen here is slowly different platform types will be introduced to the player, introducing new layers of complexity into the game and into this puzzle solving. So here the hope is the player will realize that there doesn't seem to be any direct route right to this target. I can't get around this white thing without utilizing this green platform that I've never seen before. But let's experiment and see what happens. Oh, pretty cool. Look at that, a little escalator platform. So now the player's seen that and is familiar with how it works. We're going to reinforce it here. And as you can see, success. And then we'll actually have one more. And this is all just introductory or, initial stage design. All of this stuff is up for refactoring or complete removal. These were all built using a stage editor that I had created for the game. I'm not going to demo that today. I'm actually in the middle of making a little bit of a refactor to it, making it more modular and doing some decoupling. I want to be able to have the ability to add this a level creation feature for players. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to go through with that, but if I want to, it would be nice to have that ability. I want to keep this game smaller in scope, so we'll see. It's already taken way longer than I wanted it to. As you saw there was some red platforms that do a sort of a teleport, and that's the idea of the game. Keep introducing new platforms, combining different platforms together in stages to solve more complicated obstacle layouts. And that's the game. Right now the music we're hearing is just playing through Spotify. I haven't done any music or any of the UI sound effects or anything like that, no save states or anything, but that's all to come. Just wanted to have something out here to show what I'm working on right now. Alright, check back soon. Thanks.